As we head into Week 4 of the 2024 NFL season, all eyes are on the Saints and Steelers to make significant impacts, according to SportsLine's advanced model. The model, which simulates every game 10,000 times, continues its impressive run, having earned over $7,000 for $100 bettors on rated picks. Let's delve into two key matchups this weekend, the Saints vs Falcons and the Steelers vs Colts, and see why the model favors these two teams so strongly. First up, the New Orleans Saints 2.5, 41.5. The Saints have historically dominated their rivalry with the Atlanta Falcons, winning 10 of the last 13 meetings. The team has also excelled as road underdogs, going 5-1 against the spread in their last 6 games as the visitors to a favored team. Quarterback Derek Carr is completing an impressive 68% of his passes, while star running back Alvin Kamara has racked up 285 rushing yards and 4 touchdowns so far this season. Facing the Falcons' 28th-ranked rush defense, the Saints look poised to cover the spread and possibly win outright. Next, let's discuss the Pittsburgh Steelers -240 going up against the Indianapolis Colts. The Steelers' defense stood strong last week, holding Chargers running back J.K. Dobbins to just 44 yards on 15 attempts. This week, they face Jonathan Taylor and a Colts rushing attack averaging 5.4 yards per carry. However, Steelers' edge rusher T.J. Watt is expected to be a game-changer once again. Watt, with 5.5 sacks and 2 forced fumbles this season, has historically been a thorn in the Colts' side. Given these factors, the model predicts that the Steelers will cover the spread in over 50% of its simulations. Of course, these are just two of the many matchups that the model has analyzed, with the Saints and Steelers expected to outperform. Who else should you keep an eye on? The model has made predictions for every game on the Week 4 schedule, including 3 teams that are projected to win outright in 70% of simulations. Here's a quick look at some additional crucial matchups. The San Francisco 49ers are favored by 10.5 points against the New England Patriots. The return of tight end George Kittle and potentially receiver Deebo Samuel could tip the scales further in favor of the 49ers. The Cincinnati Bengals are 4.5-point favorites against the Carolina Panthers, while the Los Angeles Rams will face a 3-point spread against the Chicago Bears. The Minnesota Vikings are 3-point underdogs against the Green Bay Packers, and the Jacksonville Jaguars will go up against the Houston Texans, who are favored by 5.5 points.